नमस्कार, मैं अभिषेक मिश्रा और हम जहाँ अभी खड़े हैं, स्वर साधना तपोवन। जब मैं यहाँ पे आया तो शॉकिंग कहना तो मैं इसको ठीक नहीं समझूँगा, बट इतना भयंकर तरीके से सरप्राइज़ हुआ मैं।
Had a wonderful experience here. This place, Tapovan, is really a Tapovan. Uh, Lots of trees around and the special tents made for us, especially for the retreat. And for the past 2 days, I don't know where I am. I'm really enjoying.
This place is so beautiful that I think we can spend days together doing nothing here, just relaxing and being with ourselves and also nature.
It was lovely meeting all the other students, and just these 3 days in these really cozy tents. I had amazing sleep and just the best time. The food was great. Everything about this place was just really lovely.
First, I thought that the experience would be in the Swara Sadhana Tapovan. The experience, like it would be a minimal, normal experience. But when I came here, when I arrived here, the experience was exuberant.
This is the first experience. We are living in the tents, and they're built up so well, and even the small things are taken care of so that everybody gets good comfort and they enjoy the living over here.
सभी स्टूडेंट्स जो आ रहे हैं यहाँ सीखने को गुरु शिष्य परंपरा में और गुरुकुल का एक माहौल मिल रहा है और गुरुकुल के माहौल के साथ साथ सारी फैसिलिटीज़ भी मिल रही हैं।
Even the bathrooms which were built up, they were very clean.
For the first time I am seeing such a thing.
और संगीत का जो माहौल है, सीखना, सुनना, यहाँ जीना, यहाँ रहना एक दुर्लभ अवसर है। इस तरह का प्राकृतिक और दिव्य माहौल कहीं देखने को नहीं मिला। इतना अच्छा अनुभव होता है कि इसको हम बता नहीं सकते हैं और आके ही आप महसूस कर सकते हैं।
Yeah, what an absolutely magical place. And with these mountains in the background and surrounded by groves of mango trees and then the actual mandapa where we're having the courses, beautiful circular construction with views of the forests and mountains and
I like how we're surrounded by nature, and I also like the food that's over here.
When I came here on the day one, I was little nervous because this is the first time I'm staying away from my parents. But when I came here, the environment is so friendly. We are really enjoying, and what to talk about the food. Food is so yummy.
Dha dhin dhin dha dha dhin dhin dha ta dhin dhin ta ta dhin dhin dha. Alex, so this is the skip turn, okay, which means you don't get a chance, it jumps.
I really like this place. Like, it's surrounded by nature and the tents are really comfortable and everything's really nice. The whole atmosphere is very pleasant and there's something really magical about this place.
So it's a beautiful evening here, and we just went to a Shiva temple nearby, and the vibes were so peaceful, so divine, and I'm just soaking in the energy. And even we had the opportunity to see the cows, a person milking the cows in front of our eyes. It's something that I have personally never experienced.
It felt like 10 years worth of lessons, just these 3 days.
So this place really, I feel, has an energy in itself, a very positive, very divine and a very silencing sort of a vibration which we may not find in the city. So very grateful for this experience.
Very well managed, amazing, clean Sattvic food. Yeah, just overall such a wonderful experience. And I think every single person that came was very comfortable.
I enjoyed a lot and I made many new friends and I learned so many things from here.
Once I've come here, I'm not feeling like going back.
I'm the first day I was so overwhelmed with emotion that it's just been amazing. I'll definitely be back again.
I definitely look forward to more and more such workshops, and that too in the most beautiful idyllic setup in the interiors of Tamil Nadu.
मैं कहूँगी सभी को कि यहाँ आकर एटलीस्ट एक बार तो अनुभव करके ही जाना चाहिए। जिन लोगों को संगीत की साधना करनी है, जिन लोगों को संगीत सुनना भी है, वो भी आकर सुन सकते हैं, बैठ सकते हैं। इट्स अ वेरी वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस। थैंक्स टू डॉक्टर संगीता शंकर जी, उन्होंने यहाँ पर हमें इनवाइट किया है।
वंडरफुल प्लेस, मतलब ऐसा एम्बियंस हो कि इंसान हर रोज़ सोचे कि हमें जाना है और फिर वो हर रोज़ एक दिन और रुक जाता है कि हमें एक दिन और यहाँ स्पेंड करना चाहिए। चाहे यहाँ का माहौल हो, चाहे यहाँ का एम्बियंस हो, चाहे लोगों का जो कंपनी है और जो म्यूज़िक सुनने को और सीखने को मिल रहा है, और एक जो यहाँ पे आपके अंदर सुकून घटित होना जैसा कहते हैं ना, जिसमें आप आँख भी बंद करके इस माहौल में बैठ जाएं तो आपको लगेगा कि मतलब आना सार्थक हुआ और सार्थक से बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ।